Most people get this wrong. They assume Payday Hero is just another payday loan app, but the surprising truth in 2026 is that it combines instant wage access with fee transparency, repayment reminders, and helpful budgeting features. Here's how it works. Payday Hero allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before your scheduled payday, often within hours. It charges a small flat fee per advance rather than traditional high interest rates. The 2026 version also includes spending alerts and optional financial guidance to help manage short-term cash flow. The catch: frequent use can become costly. Most users underestimate how quickly flat fees add up, and missed repayments can limit future access. Relying on Payday Hero regularly instead of building an emergency fund can turn convenience into a financial burden. Tips for responsible use: 1. Only withdraw what you truly need and can repay on time. 2. Use the app's budgeting alerts to stay on track. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to avoid repeated reliance. Who should consider Payday Hero? People with steady income who occasionally face urgent cash needs. If your income is unpredictable or you struggle with repayment discipline, it may cost more than it helps. In conclusion, Payday Hero in 2026 can be a valuable tool for bridging short-term cash gaps if used wisely. Treat it as an occasional emergency tool, monitor fees, and plan ahead. Subscribe for more financial reviews and practical tips to stay smart with your money.